Welcome to Golden Grace Fashion Academy, where fashion education meets excellence. If you're passionate about fashion design, pattern making, sewing, garment construction, textiles, or building a successful career in fashion, you've come to the right place. Here, we don't just teach sewing. We explore the world's most respected fashion textbooks used by leading fashion schools, professional designers, and industry experts. Our mission is to help you learn directly from the books that have shaped some of the world's finest fashion professionals. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps into fashion, a student in fashion school, or an experienced designer looking to sharpen your skills, you'll find practical lessons here every week. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest fashion textbook reviews, pattern drafting tutorials, sewing techniques, fabric education, and practical fashion design lessons. After watching this video, be sure to explore our channel. We've already reviewed several internationally recognized fashion textbooks and shared practical sewing and pattern making tutorials that can help you become a better designer. Those videos are organized to guide you from beginner to professional level, so don't miss them. Today we're exploring one of the most creative and inspiring pattern-making books ever published, Pattern Magic by Tomoko Nakamichi. This remarkable Japanese fashion textbook has transformed the way designers around the world think about garment construction and creative pattern cutting. By the end of this review, you'll understand why it has become a favorite among fashion students, couture designers, fashion educators, and creative pattern makers. Before we explore the book itself, let's look at the brilliant mind behind it. Tomoko Nakamichi is a renowned Japanese fashion educator, master pattern maker, and author celebrated for her innovative approach to garment construction. She taught at Bunka Fashion College in Tokyo, one of the world's most prestigious fashion institutions, recognized for producing many internationally respected fashion designers. Rather than teaching students to imitate existing garments, Nakamichi encourages them to think like inventors. Her philosophy is built on experimentation, imagination, geometry, and three-dimensional design. She challenges designers to move beyond traditional pattern drafting and discover new ways of creating garments that are artistic, sculptural, and completely original. Her books have inspired fashion students, couture designers, costume designers, pattern makers, and creative professionals across the world. Unlike traditional sewing textbooks, Pattern Magic is not designed to teach you how to sew your first skirt or draft a basic bodice block. Instead, it opens the door to an entirely different way of thinking. This book demonstrates how ordinary flat patterns can be transformed into extraordinary garments through creative manipulation. Twists become elegant design features. Spirals become sculptural garments. Simple darts evolve into dramatic architectural details. Flat fabric suddenly comes alive in ways that seem almost impossible. This unique perspective is one of the reasons why Pattern Magic is highly recommended in fashion schools and design studios worldwide. One of the greatest strengths of this book is its visual presentation. Every technique is explained through beautifully illustrated diagrams, making complex ideas easier to understand. As you move through the pages, you'll discover advanced techniques, including three-dimensional pattern manipulation, creative dart transformations, spirals, twists, circular construction, geometric silhouettes, sculptural collars, innovative sleeve designs, unusual bodice development, dramatic volume creation, fabric manipulation, and experimental dress construction. Each chapter invites you to challenge conventional thinking and explore new possibilities in fashion design. Most traditional pattern-making books concentrate on achieving perfect fit and technical accuracy. Pattern Magic certainly values technical skill, but its greatest emphasis is creativity. Instead of asking, "How do I make this garment?" the book asks a much more powerful question: what else can this pattern become? That single shift in perspective encourages designers to stop copying trends and begin creating their own original fashion language. It teaches you to see patterns not simply as templates for garments, but as creative tools capable of producing endless design possibilities. By studying this book, you'll strengthen your creative pattern cutting skills, master advanced dart manipulation, understand three-dimensional garment construction, develop couture-inspired techniques, create innovative sleeves and necklines, experiment with dramatic silhouettes, solve complex design challenges, and build original fashion collections that express your own creativity. These are the kinds of skills that help designers stand out in today's competitive fashion industry. There are many reasons why pattern magic continues to be recommended by fashion educators around the world. First, it develops creativity instead of encouraging imitation. Second, the illustrations are exceptionally clear and beautifully presented, making complicated concepts easier to visualize. Third, it introduces innovative techniques that are rarely covered in traditional sewing or pattern-making textbooks. Perhaps its greatest strength is that it builds confidence. As you practice the techniques, you begin to experiment more freely and discover your own design ideas. Even many years after its publication, the concepts remain fresh, relevant, and inspiring. Of course, no textbook is perfect. Pattern magic is not intended for complete beginners. If you have never drafted a basic bodice, skirt block, or sleeve pattern, some of the projects may feel overwhelming. The book assumes that readers already understand the fundamentals of pattern making. Many of the designs are highly experimental, so you'll probably need to create several muslin samples before achieving the desired result. However, if you're willing to experiment, those challenges become valuable learning experiences that strengthen both your technical ability and creative confidence. So, who should read this book? It's an excellent resource for fashion design students, professional pattern makers, dressmakers, couture designers, fashion educators, costume designers, creative entrepreneurs, and anyone who wants to move beyond basic garment construction. If your goal is to design clothing that is distinctive, artistic, and unforgettable, pattern magic deserves a place in your fashion library. To better understand its value, let's compare it with two other internationally respected fashion textbooks. Pattern Making for Fashion Design by Helen Joseph-Armstrong provides one of the strongest foundations for professional pattern drafting. It focuses on accuracy, garment fit, and industry-standard construction methods. Metric Pattern Cutting for Women's Wear by Winifred Aldrich is another essential reference that emphasizes precision, measurements, and commercial pattern development used throughout the fashion industry. Pattern magic takes everything you've learned from those technical foundations and expands your creative possibilities. Rather than replacing those books, it complements them perfectly. Learn the fundamentals from Armstrong and Aldrich, then use Tomoko Nakamichi's techniques to transform those skills into innovative artistic fashion designs. So, is pattern magic worth reading? Without question, yes. If you're looking for a book that challenges your imagination, encourages experimentation, and helps you see pattern making from an entirely new perspective, this is one of the best investments you can make in your fashion education. Although it isn't the ideal first textbook for complete beginners, it becomes one of the most inspiring resources you'll own once you've mastered the fundamentals. For creativity, I give it 5 out of 5 stars. For pattern making techniques, 5 out of 5 stars. For visual presentation, 5 out of 5 stars. For beginner friendliness, 2 out of 5 stars. For professional value, 5 out of 5 stars. Overall, I give Pattern Magic by Tomoko Nakamichi an outstanding 4.8 out of 5 stars. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Golden Grace Fashion Academy, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our weekly fashion textbook reviews, professional sewing tutorials, and pattern drafting lessons. Don't forget to explore our growing collection of reviews, including Pattern Making for Fashion Design by Helen Joseph-Armstrong, Metric Pattern Cutting for Women's Wear by Winifred Aldrich, Fashionpedia, and many more of the world's best fashion textbooks. I'd also love to hear from you. Which fashion textbook would you like us to review next? Leave your suggestion in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and keep designing with confidence.